Welcome back to another part of the video. This is just to show you guys the lamp that I actually purchased. This is the wall mounted lamp fixture that I purchased at Active, and if you are interested in it, I'm going to leave the link in the description so you can see it and you can go there and buy it. This is actually the finished product. This is actually one that I went ahead and I assembled. Just assemble this one so you can look at it. It will mount this way to the wall, so this is the wall. Alright, and of course I install a bulb. I'm just going to install them on the wall now, and I'm going to show you what it's like on the wall. Alright, so let us unbox this one. Don't need any tool. Unbox it. And like so. Paper. This little tool. This is that little tool that they gave to actually tighten the shade. So when you want to clean the shade, this is the tool that they use. It's a little plastic tool, so please don't lose it. Alright. This part of it is the actual wall piece that mounts with the receptacle that goes directly onto the wall. So just rest that right there. And this right here now is the shade. The shade is right inside here. So this is the shade. So this shade goes onto this, but you have to remove this. This is the part that I told you that the tool tightens. This is the part that it tightens. So you actually just put it over like that. Alright. Then you put this into this like that, and then you just go ahead and tighten it. Tighten it. To be careful, and you don't want to break your shade. And that's it. Tighten. Alright. So I am going to show you how to install them right now. I'm going to show you how to install them, so stay tuned. Alright, so guys, this is my original receptacle. This is the original light receptacle right here. So I'm going to remove this. I'm going to remove that and place this right over it. Connect it and place this right over it. So actually you can see how much different it's going to be, how much more nicer it's going to be. If you can take a angle, a different shot from a different angle like that. So you can see how different it's going to be. Alright, so I'm going to remove this and just mount this to it. Of course, this piece also comes in the box, and this is the wall, this is the bracket that you're going to screw on to that existing receptacle, and then you're going to use these two screws to mount the fixture. So stay tuned. So alright guys, this is actually me removing the receptacle. You need a screwdriver. Flathead or Phillips will do. And make sure, if you're going to do this yourself, make sure that you turn off the breaker. Don't follow me because I have some knowledge with electricity. So turn off your main breaker if you're going to try this at home, so you don't run the risk of electrocuting yourself, or you call an electrician to do it for you. So you're just backing up these screws, and you're going to need these screws to mount back the bracket. Alright, so you're going to need these screws. So you just expose it. So alright guys, so you can see I went ahead and I made the connection. This is the grounds. This one is the hot or the live, and this is the neutral, the black. So the black is the neutral, the red is the live. So you connect it to the white, and this one you connect to the black. It could be anywhere around. If you put the black over here, it's the same thing. If you put the white over here, it's the same thing. It won't make a difference. Guys, so this is the final. This is the final step. Look at it now. It's wonderful. If you remember where it was coming from to this, look extremely, extremely elegant. Alright, took me a little while to figure it out because the screws were off center, but I work around it and it work. Alright, so let me just show you now what it looks like when it turns on. Alright, so that's it. Really beautiful. And remember, this just cost me like $4,800. Alright, it worth every penny. Alright, so remember, if you like, I'm going to leave the link for this light in the description. So if you want, you can go and check it out at Active Home Center. Alright, St. Constance Spring Road. You can't miss it. For home and garden fix and tricks, I'm Michael. Peace.